Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Mandeville and we are in the Bloomfield area, and we're going to show you this. Well, the building on the left is the Vista at the Bloomfield, and the building straight ahead is the one we're going to focus on today. Is our call center building. It's a BPO building. We'll do videos on all the buildings. We did one on the Vista already. You can check it out. And today we're going to show you this call center building, or BPO. It's 4 floors, and if you notice, the layout is perfect for a call center. It's like an open space, so you have cubicles in there, and it's just a flat, or how would I say, it's an open space, goes straight across. It's like a floor. Okay, you see how the roof is? That's how the inside of the building is, just the floor going straight across, and you have the cubicles in there. This is the perfect format for a BPO. At first, when the BPO business or industry started in Jamaica, they would take an existing building and retrofit it to the call center specs. But because the industry is doing so well in Jamaica now, and there's such a demand for space, people are actually building buildings specifically for a call center. So this is one such example. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. We're going to fly around the building and show you how it looks. Alright guys, have a good day.